Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're about to take your kitchen game to a whole new level with the Black+Decker Kitchen 1 Cordless Immersion Blender Kit. If you're tired of being tethered to the wall by a pesky cord while blending, if you're craving a sleek and efficient blending solution, and if you want to make your kitchen prep a breeze, then stick around because this kitchen wand is here to change the game. First things first, let's talk about freedom. The Black+Decker Kitchen Wand is cordless and powered by a built-in rechargeable battery. Imagine having up to 30 minutes of continuous blending time without being tethered to an outlet. It's a game changer for those who love the flexibility of moving around their kitchen without worrying about finding the nearest power source. The wand base isn't just a powerhouse, it's smart too. It features clear battery state of charge indicator lights, so you always know how much blending time you have left. No more surprises mid-blend. Plus, it comes with an adjustable speed dial, giving you complete control over the blending power you need for your recipes. It's like having a high-tech sous chef right in your kitchen. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the 4-point blade. This blender isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency too. The 4-point blade effortlessly blends soups, smoothies, and even baby food. Say goodbye to lumps and uneven textures in your recipes. With this wand in hand, you'll achieve the perfect consistency every time. But that's not all. The Black+Decker Kitchen 1 Cordless Immersion Blender Kit is all about making your life easier. It includes a mixing cup with a lid, which means no more messy transfers from your blending container to another dish. Prep, blend, and store all in one cup. Charging your kitchen wand is a breeze with the included sleek and compact charging dock. It not only keeps your wand charged and ready to go, but it also looks fantastic on your kitchen countertop. No more unsightly cords cluttering up your space. Safety is key, and the included removable pan guard ensures your pots and pans stay protected while blending. No more worries about scratching or damaging your cookware. It's a small but thoughtful addition that shows Black+Decker's commitment to your kitchen's well-being. In conclusion, the Black+Decker Kitchen 1 Cordless Immersion Blender Kit is your ultimate kitchen sidekick. It combines the freedom of cordless blending with smart design, efficient blending power, and a complete kit to make your kitchen prep a breeze. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a busy parent, or just someone who wants to make their time in the kitchen more enjoyable, this kitchen wand is your answer. So, if you're ready to elevate your kitchen game and experience the freedom and efficiency of cordless blending, click the link in the description to get your Black+Decker Kitchen Wand today. Say goodbye to cord clutter and hello to culinary creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy blending!